Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome back to English Mania, the ghost of spoken. I'm Jihad from English Mania. How are you all doing? Let me know in the comment box, please. Let me know about your position now, as the coronavirus is in a great position in the country, in the world. So let me know. Today's topic is the difference between American accent and British accent. And what accent is better? What should we learn if we want to learn between these two? So, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. And if you like our videos, please give a thumbs up, comment, and share our videos on social medias like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So, let's start. At first, we should know accent. So, we talked about accent in a video, and you'll get the link of the video in the description. Get the link and know what's accent, what's style, and what's native speaker. But in this video, we're gonna talk about the difference between American English and British English. So let's start. The British English is the main English in the world. Every accent was born from this accent, because English is the main language of Britain. They're the main English is their main language, and they just speak English like them. But after them, some countries like Canada, USA, also India, made their accents from that. But now the two accents, American and British, is most famous in the world. Then comes the Canadian, Australian, and Indian, but it's not so important. In the American English, they always try to pronounce R. But in British English, they don't try to pronounce R. They say R. Like Americans say speaker, but the British say speaker. Americans say warm, but the British say warm. Americans say father, British says father. And the difference between American accent and British accent is so much little. You can sometimes catch it or no. Like there's a word HEART, heart, and HURT, hurt. The Americans pronounce the first one as hurt, and the second one as hurt. But the British pronounce the first one as heart, the heart, and the second one like hurt, the hurt. You could see they don't pronounce the R. But the Americans do. They say heart and hurt. So I think you have got the difference here, and most probably there's no more difference in this between these two. Yeah, you could see some words more and more. There is a difference between these two about the vocabulary. There are some words which has different spelling, different pronunciation, but that doesn't matter. It's only a language, that's English. English is a language It may have many accents or many styles, but it's, after all, it's a language, not 2 or 3 languages. So don't think about that. Just follow on your passion. Go through English. If you want to be a good speaker, follow the international accent, and I think you can be successful. Okay, this was all about this video. Hope this was for you, this was helpful for you. If it, please give a thumbs up, comment and share on Facebook, Twitter and other social medias. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. I hope you don't miss that. And if you want to know all the video, please click on the bell icon. Okay guys, be safe from coronavirus, stay home, stay safe. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Allah Hafiz, goodbye, ta-da.